Hi, to enable and disable tab group favorites in Safari on your iPhone 16e, of course, open your Safari first. And now on the bottom of the display, we need to click those two squares, which is for tabs. So in this list, find your tab group. In my case, it is tutorial, and click plus to start new page. Now we will need to scroll all the way down and choose to edit it. And right now you should see this section tab group favorites. So to disable it, just toggle off the switch like that so it will be white. And to enable, toggle on the switch so it will be green. And then you can close this customization, tap it again, and go back to your tab group. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.